Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to give away Robux in Roblox. So let's start. How you can give Roblox to someone? Well, you can go to roblox.com and then let's go to the website, and here you will find how you can send, you can exchange or something like that, and you can click here and you can go to go out from this. In this case you can exchange and go out, and well, here I don't have Robux, but if you have it, here will appear if you want to send Robux to someone, and you will find here the option. So also you can buy Robux here, and well, you can get the money, how money you do want, and you can create it or something like something price. So in this way you can do it. Well guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.